Welcome to the top best. The best burger press is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook looking to elevate their burger game, transforming ordinary patties into perfectly seared, restaurant-quality masterpieces right in their own kitchen, ensuring that every bite is packed with flavor and juiciness that will leave your taste buds singing with delight. Number 5. Cuisinart Cast Iron Smash Burger Press CSB 111. Introducing the Cuisinart Smash Burger Press, your ultimate tool for creating delicious smashed burgers. Its heavy-duty cast iron construction ensures perfect results every time. Crafted from 6.5-inch cast iron, this press applies even pressure for incredibly juicy and flavorful burgers. Experience the difference quality makes. Achieve that sought-after crispy, caramelized crust with its flat edge. It's designed to deliver that classic smash burger taste you love. Whether you're cooking indoors on a griddle or skillet, or grilling outdoors, this press is your go-to. It's perfect for any culinary adventure. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply hand wash with warm water and mild soap. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance after every use. What we like. This press is perfect for achieving that classic smash burger crust with crispy, caramelized edges. If you love a good sear and want to elevate your burger game at home, this is the one for you. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. What people say. The weight is perfect for smashing burgers down. It's a great size for standard burger patties and the handle stays cool. The flat bottom surface ensures even cooking and a great sear. Number 4. HOMENOTE Heavy Duty Cast Iron Burger Press. Introducing our heavy-duty cast iron burger press, crafted from food-grade materials for safe and healthy cooking. It's built to last, offering an indestructible cooking experience. Achieve beautiful, even grill marks on your food with its perfectly distributed weight. Simply preheat and apply gentle pressure for stunning results. Save time in the kitchen and enjoy your meals faster. This press helps your favorite thin meats cook more quickly and evenly, perfect for busy occasions. Designed with your safety in mind, it features a stylish, all-cool wood handle. You can press and lift with confidence, no extra gloves needed. Elevate your home cooking with this commercial-grade accessory. It's the professional choice for griddle masters, bringing restaurant-quality results to your kitchen. What we like. Looking for a durable and safe option? This press offers food-grade cast iron with excellent weight distribution for perfect grill marks. Its stay-cool wood handle ensures safety and comfort. If you prioritize safety and consistent results for larger gatherings, this is a great choice. What people say. The weight is perfect for pressing burgers down on the griddle. It's easy to clean and doesn't rust if you take care of it properly. The handle stays cool, so you don't burn yourself. Number 3. HOMENOTE Griddle Accessories Kit. Elevate your grilling experience with commercial-grade accessories designed for professional results. Achieve restaurant-quality meals right in your own backyard. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel and heavy-duty cast iron, these tools are built to last. Enjoy durability and easy cleaning for countless cooking sessions. The generous dome covers multiple items at once, ensuring even heat distribution for perfectly cooked food. Its large size makes it ideal for burgers and vegetables. Concentrate heat to effortlessly melt cheese and sear your meats to perfection. The press can be seasoned for a natural non-stick surface, enhancing your cooking. This set includes a basting dome and a weight, perfect for any chef, from novice to expert. It's ideal for a wide variety of foods like bacon, burgers, and sandwiches. Whether it's a backyard barbecue, camping trip, or catering event, these accessories are your go-to for delicious grilled food. They are perfect for cookouts and more. What we like. This set is fantastic if you want a complete griddle experience, including a large dome for steaming and melting. It's designed for commercial-grade performance, making it ideal for those who want restaurant-quality results at home. If you often cook for a crowd or want to melt cheese effectively, this combo is for you. What people say. The weight is good, it is heavy enough to press the burgers down and get a good sear. It is easy to clean, just a quick wipe down and it is good to go. The handle stays cool, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. Number 2. Gourmet Easy Cast Iron Smash Burger Press. Experience safer and more comfortable cooking with its stay-cool handle. It provides a secure grip, even over high heat, ensuring ease of use on your griddle or grill. Achieve perfectly smashed burgers every time thanks to its 2 pounds cast iron weight. This ensures consistent pressure for even flattening, fast cooking, and ideal searing. Enjoy richer flavors and crispy edges with its natural, seasoned cast iron surface. It enhances browning without any coatings, adding depth to every patty or strip. Maintaining its performance is simple with basic hand washing and light oil seasoning. This durable addition to your kitchenware only improves with age. This thoughtfully designed tool is built for longevity and comes with a 5-year warranty. It makes a practical and impressive gift for any grilling enthusiast. What we like. For those who value safety and a comfortable grip, this press features a heat-resistant handle. Its 2 pounds weight ensures perfect smashing for delicious results. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting tool with peace of mind, the included 5-year warranty makes this a smart investment. What people say. The weight of the press is perfect for smashing burgers thin and getting a good sear. It's easy to clean, which is a huge plus for cast iron. The handle stays cool, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. Number 1. Pisol Smash Burger Press. Crafted from 100% food-grade 304 stainless steel, this tool boasts a robust 2.5 mm thickness and a generous 5.5-inch diameter for superior performance. Experience enhanced safety and comfort with its upgraded silicone-covered handle. It provides excellent insulation, protecting your hands from heat. This essential kitchen companion helps you create perfectly smashed patties with a delicious caramelized crust. It locks in all the savory juices for an unforgettable taste. Thanks to its polished, smooth surface, your food will never stick. This ensures your patties remain perfectly intact throughout the cooking process. Designed to be stain-resistant and rust-resistant, cleaning is a breeze. You can easily wash it by hand or simply place it in the dishwasher. Beyond burgers, this versatile tool is perfect for cooking bacon, sausages, steaks, panini, and sandwiches on grills, griddles, or frying pans. What we like. This press is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, offering a non-stick surface and exceptional ease of cleaning. If you want a modern, hygienic, and low-maintenance option for your smash burgers and more, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate durability and a polished finish. What people say. The weight is perfect for pressing burgers on the griddle. It's easy to clean and doesn't rust. The handle stays cool, so you don't burn yourself. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.